The Echo of Infinity, Unlocking the Celestial Dialogue. Welcome, dear listener, to our exploration of one of life's most profound mysteries, how to speak to the universe using its language. This exploration is not merely about finding a way to communicate with a vast unseen force. It is about understanding our place within it and harnessing the essence of life's interconnectedness. The foundations of universal language. In our first segment, let us begin by considering the nature of language itself. Language, in its most fundamental form, is not just words or even sounds. It is the very basis of connection between living beings. It is the medium through which thoughts, feelings, and knowledge are exchanged. Now think about the universe. It does not speak through words, but communicates through the laws of nature, the rhythm of the planets, the dance of the stars, and the silent whisper of the quantum world. To initiate a dialogue with the universe, we must first attune ourselves to the frequencies at which the universe operates. This process starts with mindfulness. Mindfulness allows us to be present in the moment, to observe without judgment, and to resonate with the vibrations around us. It is through mindfulness that we begin to perceive the subtle languages spoken by the environment, the rustle of the leaves, the flow of water, or the stillness of the desert. Each of these is an expression of the universe. Now, consider how you engage with these expressions. Do you listen? Do you observe? Do you feel? This is your first lesson in the language of the universe, learning to listen. The art of listening to the universe is akin to listening to a melody in the wind. It requires patience, openness, and a willingness to hear what is not immediately apparent.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lesson.
As we deepen our connection through mindfulness, we also need to align our vibrational energy with that of the universe. This is where meditation becomes invaluable. Meditation helps us clear the noise within our minds and hearts. It allows us to tune in to the cosmic frequency and communicate through vibrations. Every thought and emotion sends out a vibrational ripple into the cosmos. When we meditate, we fine-tune these vibrations to become coherent and harmonious with the universe's vibrations. Furthermore, the language of gratitude plays a crucial role in how we communicate with the universe. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you. It's about recognizing and appreciating the interconnectedness of all things. By expressing gratitude, we send positive vibrations into the world, which not only enhances our own energy but aligns us more closely with the universal flow. In your daily life, practice expressing gratitude not just for the blessings you recognize, but also for the challenges and lessons that shape your journey. Each piece of your experience is a dialogue with the universe, guiding you, teaching you, and helping you grow. To truly speak the universe's language, we must also learn to observe the laws of nature. These laws, such as gravity, relativity, and the principles of energy transformation, are not just scientific concepts but are expressions of the universe's own language. By understanding and respecting these laws, we engage in a form of respect and communication with the cosmos. Let us reflect on how we can better attune ourselves to these natural laws. How do we align our lives not only to live within these laws, but to thrive through them? This question is not about science. It is about harmony. It is about finding the ways our lives can move fluidly with the cosmic forces that govern existence. In summary, speaking to the universe begins with understanding and practicing mindfulness, meditation, gratitude, and a deep respect for the natural laws. These are not just practices, but are the foundations of a language that transcends words, the language of vibration, energy, and mutual existence. As we conclude this part of our journey, I invite you to reflect on how these elements are present in your life and how you might enhance your attunement to the cosmic dialogue. In the next part, we will explore the deeper spiritual implications of this communication and how it can transform our understanding of ourselves and our purpose in the universe. The Symphony of the Soul, Deepening Our Cosmic Communication. As we move further into our exploration of speaking to the universe, we now turn our attention inward to the depths of our own being. Here, in the Symphony of the Soul, lies the key to more profound and meaningful communications with the cosmos. For it is through our inner landscapes that we connect most intimately with the universal fabric, understanding the spiritual self in universal terms. The journey toward speaking the universe's language is deeply intertwined with understanding our own spiritual nature. Our souls are not just passive observers or mere travelers through time and space. They are active participants in the cosmic dialogue, continuously interacting with the energies of the universe. To deepen this interaction, it is crucial to cultivate a profound understanding of our spiritual self. This understanding begins with the acknowledgement that our consciousness is not confined to physical boundaries. It extends beyond the limits of our body and mind, touching the fabric of the universe itself. This realization can be both awe-inspiring and intimidating, but it is essential for true communication with the cosmos. Let us explore the concept of the higher self, a term used to describe the most enlightened, wisest aspect of our being that remains connected to the universal consciousness. Engaging with our higher self allows us to communicate more effectively with the universe because it operates at a similar vibrational frequency. To connect with your higher self, it is helpful to engage in practices that transcend ordinary consciousness, such as deep meditation, introspective prayer, or even creative expression like art or music that allows you to tap into deeper levels of awareness. In these states, you often find that the chatter of daily life fades away, replaced by a clarity and a sense of unity with all that exists. It is in these moments that you are speaking the universe's language, not through words, but through pure being and consciousness. Another vital aspect of understanding our spiritual self involves recognizing our intuitive powers. Intuition is often considered a direct line to higher knowledge and truth, a way of knowing that bypasses rational thought and directly taps into universal wisdom. Have you ever felt a sudden insight or a premonition that turned out to be incredibly accurate? This is your intuitive voice, and it speaks a language that the universe understands intimately. To enhance your intuitive abilities, it is essential to trust in them. This trust can be built through regular practices like journaling your insights, reflecting on the outcomes of your intuitive choices, and meditating to clear the noise that often clouds our intuitive channels. By honing this skill, you strengthen your ability to communicate with the universe, receiving guidance and wisdom that helps navigate your spiritual path. Additionally, the concept of synchronicity, or meaningful coincidences, plays a significant role in conversing with the universe. Carl Jung, who introduced the concept, believed that these synchronicities were expressions of the deeper order of the universe, revealing its underlying connectedness. By paying attention to synchronicities, those unexpected but profoundly meaningful alignments of events, you are learning to listen and respond to the universe's subtle messages and affirmations of your path. Consider the last time a synchronicity occurred in your life. What was the message or lesson in that coincidence? How did it feel to recognize that moment of connection? Reflecting on these questions can enhance your sensitivity to the universe's language and increase your receptiveness to future communications. In wrapping up this part of our exploration, Remember that deepening our cosmic communication is not about seeking control or answers in a conventional sense. It is about aligning more closely with the vibrations of the universe, understanding our spiritual nature, and embracing the interconnectedness of all things. As we prepare to enter the next phase of our journey, we will look at how to translate this cosmic communication into transformative actions in our daily lives, thereby embodying the wisdom of the universe in our every action. The Symphony of the Soul, deepening our cosmic communication. As we move further into our exploration of speaking to the universe, we now turn our attention inward, to the depths of our own being. Here, in the Symphony of the Soul, lies the key to more profound and meaningful communications with the cosmos. For it is through our inner landscapes that we connect most intimately with the universal fabric, manifesting universal wisdom in daily life. The true measure of our communication with the universe is not only in the depth of our understanding, but in how we embody this understanding in our daily lives. Each action, choice, and interaction can be an expression of our alignment with universal energies. But how do we ensure that our daily practices reflect this profound connection? Firstly, consider the power of intention. Intention is the force that drives our actions, but it also shapes the energy we emit into the universe. When we set intentions that are in harmony with universal principles, such as peace, love, and interconnectedness, we align our personal energies with these higher vibrations. This alignment not only affects us internally, but also influences those around us and the broader environment. Moreover, embracing the practice of mindfulness throughout all aspects of life helps us maintain a continuous dialogue with the universe. Mindfulness keeps us deeply connected to the present moment, the here and now, where all real interaction with the universe takes place. Through mindfulness, we can maintain a constant awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and vibrations, ensuring they are in harmony with our intentions and the universal energies. Another crucial aspect is the practice of letting go. Often our paths are obstructed by our attachment to outcomes, past experiences, or the need for control. To truly live in accordance with the universe, we must learn to let go of these attachments and trust in the cosmic flow. Letting go is not about giving up responsibility, but about accepting that the universe's plans might be different and possibly more profound than our own. Lastly, consider the impact of gratitude as a daily practice. Gratitude closes the loop of communication with the universe. By expressing gratitude, we acknowledge the role of the universe in our lives, appreciating the intricate and beautiful ways in which it interacts with us. This acknowledgement not only enhances our positive vibrations, but also reinforces our relationship with the cosmos, making our dialogue with it more fluid and more potent. As we wrap up this segment, reflect on how you can integrate these practices into your daily routine. How can your daily actions become more aligned with the cosmic principles you've come to understand? The next part of our discussion will delve into the transformative power of love and compassion, further exploring how these universal languages shape our experiences and elevate our spiritual journey. Love and compassion as universal languages. The languages of love and compassion are perhaps the most profound means through which we can communicate with the universe and manifest its wisdom in our lives. These languages go beyond mere emotions or sentiments. They are vibrant expressions of our deepest connections to all beings and the cosmos itself. The role of love in cosmic communication. Love is an expansive force, a fundamental component of the universe's fabric. It is the energy that binds particles and people, planets and stars. When we embody love in our actions and thoughts, we align ourselves with the constructive, creative forces of the universe. This alignment enhances our ability to communicate with the universe because we are operating on the same frequency of growth, union, and nurturing. To incorporate the language of love into your daily life, start with self-love. Self-love is not about ego or self-indulgence. It is about recognizing your intrinsic worth and treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you offer others. This practice sets the foundation for extending genuine love outward. Next, expand this love to others through acts of kindness and understanding. Every person you meet is part of the same cosmic journey, facing their challenges and learning their lessons. By approaching others with love, you facilitate a supportive, nurturing environment that reflects universal harmony. Compassion as a reflection of universal interconnectedness. Compassion complements love, offering a deep sense of connectedness and empathy towards all life forms. It recognizes the struggles and sufferings of others and responds with a desire to alleviate it. This profound understanding and action resonate deeply with cosmic principles because they affirm the interdependence and interconnectedness of all existence. Practicing compassion can start with being present. In each interaction, listen intently, not just to respond but to truly understand another's perspective and feelings. This presence allows you to empathize more deeply and offer support that is both meaningful and transformative. Moreover, extend your compassion beyond humanity. The universe encompasses all life, and our compassion should also embrace the environment, animals, and all forms of life. Actions as simple as conserving water, recycling, or feeding birds contribute to a compassionate relationship with our planet, reflecting our respect and care for the larger cosmos. Elevating spiritual journeys through love and compassion. The practice of love and compassion has the power to not only transform individual lives but to elevate our spiritual journeys. As we become more attuned to these universal languages, our spiritual paths become clearer. The obstacles we face are met with resilience and grace, and our interactions become lessons in growth and understanding. Incorporating love and compassion into our daily practices also prepares us for deeper spiritual experiences. It opens our hearts and minds to higher states of consciousness where more profound cosmic communications can occur. It is in these states that we often receive the most transformative insights and experience a greater sense of unity with all existence. As we conclude this exploration, reflect on how love and compassion have shaped your interactions and understanding of the universe. Consider the moments when you felt a deep connection to something greater than yourself through acts of love and empathy. These are not just emotional experiences. They are spiritual communications, affirmations of your role in the cosmos, and invitations to deeper understanding and connection. Embracing these practices fully can transform not only your life, but also contribute to a more harmonious world, reflecting the very essence of the universe itself. As you continue your journey, carry these lessons with you, and let them guide you in your continuous dialogue with the infinite cosmos.